A year ago, if you asked me how my 401k was doing, I honestly couldn't tell you. I knew I had one. My money was automatically coming out of my paycheck every 2 weeks. My employer was matching a portion of it, and I assumed that was enough. I thought that's future me's problem. Then something happened that completely changed the way I look at retirement. My husband was diagnosed with cancer. In that moment, retirement stopped feeling like a distant dream. It became something I needed to prepare for because life can change overnight. After taking a close look at my 401k, I realized I had been making a costly mistake. Today, I want to share exactly what happened, what I changed, and how those changes helped me grow my 401k from around 300,000 to 400,000 in about a year. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Retirement Journal, and if you're new here, my name is Jenny. I'm documenting my journey as the sole income provider for our family of 3 while building a retirement nest egg. I'm not a financial expert. I'm simply sharing the decisions I'm making, the mistakes I've made, and what I'm learning along the way. My story helps if my story helps even one person pay attention to their own retirement account sooner, then this video will be worth making. For years, I've treated my 401k like a set it and forget it account. Every paycheck, money went in. I saw deductions. I knew my employer contributed. And for me, that was enough. I never logged in. I never checked how it was invested. I never asked whether my money was actually working for me. I just assumed everything was fine. Looking back, I realized I was like many people. We work hard, we contribute, we trust that somehow everything will work out. But assumptions can become expensive. Then, last year, my husband was diagnosed with cancer. Everything changed. Overnight, our family went from relying on 2 incomes to depending on just one. Suddenly, I wasn't thinking about paying this month's bills. I started asking bigger questions. What happens if something happens to me? Will I actually have enough to retire? Am I doing enough today? That diagnosis forced me to stop avoiding my finances. It forced me to become intentional. When I finally logged into my account and really looked at it, I wasn't impressed. Yes, the balance looked decent. But when I looked deeper, I realized it wasn't growing the way I expected. I didn't understand my investments. I didn't know if my portfolio matched my retirement goals. And honestly, I didn't even know what questions I should be asking. That was a humbling moment. Instead of guessing, I scheduled an appointment with a financial advisor offered through my employer. That conversation changed everything. The advisor explained how my investments were allocated. We talked about my retirement goals, my time horizon, my risk tolerance, and whether my current investment choices actually aligned with where I wanted to be. For the first time, I understood what my retirement money was doing, and more importantly, what it wasn't doing. After that meeting, I made several changes to my 401k. I reviewed my investment allocation. I made sure my contributions continued consistently. I stopped treating my retirement account like something I would worry about someday. Instead, I started checking it regularly. Not every day, not obsessively, just enough to make sure I stayed informed and intentional. That simple shift changed my entire mindset. Today, about a year later, my 401k has grown from 300,000 to around, to more than 400,000 now in Q2 of 2026. Now, I want to be clear. Not all of that growth happened because of the changes I made. Some of it came from continuing to contribute every paycheck. Some came from employer matching, and some came from a strong stock market during that period. But here's the important lesson. If I had never looked at my account, if I had never reviewed my investments, if I had never asked questions, I wouldn't have the confidence I have today. The biggest change wasn't just the account balance. It was becoming engaged with our financial future. Here's what this experience taught me. Having a 401k isn't enough. Contributing isn't enough. Ignoring it isn't a strategy. Your retirement account deserves a yearly checkup, just like our health. Understand how your money is invested. Review your goals. Take advantage of financial resources your employer offers. Ask questions, because nobody will care more about your retirement than you. I'm sharing this because I know there are people watching who are exactly where I used to be. You're contributing every paycheck. You assume everything is fine. You haven't logged in for months, maybe years. That was me. And I almost missed the opportunity to become intentional about one of the biggest financial assets I ever owned. Today, our life isn't perfect. We're still navigating life after my husband's cancer diagnosis. I'm still the sole income provider for our family. I'm still building our retirement one paycheck at a time. But I feel so much more confident knowing I'm paying attention instead of hoping for the best. If this video encouraged you to log on into your retirement account today and simply take a look, then it has already accomplished its purpose. If you're on a similar journey of building financial security later in life, I'd love for you to join me. Subscribe and I'll continue sharing our real numbers, our monthly updates, and every lesson I learn along the way. Because it's never too late to start paying attention to the future you're building. Thank you for your time and see you again on the next video. Bye.